What's up, world? This is your boy Brad. Checking out my new shoe review for the what's this? 95 Air Max Black in Carolina. I need some silence in here, people. Fresh out of the box. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Carolina blue, baby. Got a 3M technology in the back. Look at that. Alright. Well, enough of that. So, let's get to the real deal, baby. It's exclusive. These are the... This is my second pair of Foamposite. Foamposite 1's Cough Drop Edition. These are, I know that they are my first pair of 95 Air Max. I don't really like the Air Max. It's my son. Vanessa. What do they call Vanessa? Who Air Max are those? Who's Air Max? Okay, now put it down. Here we go, Foamposite. Get out of the way, Vanessa. Get over there and sit down. Here we are. I found them. I looked online everywhere, could not find them where I wanted a decent price. Here they are. Nike Air Foamposite, limited edition, Cough Drop Edition. It's my second pair. It cost me a little more. My first pair I only paid $170 for them, actually 180 with tax. These right here I paid $187. I got them on sale. I wore $185. I talked the dude down $10 because they were the last pair. Got a lot of other exclusives too. Got the gold on, so these are old. I had these for a couple months. Still got the Barclays too. I got Air Max everything. I even got the Air Max sandals you see here. Got my Timberland clogs over there. I got my book bag. The Barclays over there in the back. Can't see them. Got fresh Air Force Ones. So you can see the Barclays. Got the Bo Jacksons in here too. Find them. Got the Bo Jacksons. Another exclusive. Got a 2010 Bo Jacksons as well for bring out. 2010s. See the timeline in the back. It says right here. It's 1990 to 2010. The Flywire technology. Got them old school Jordans, throwback boys.